Good morning guys, day 9 at Pangong, and check out, last night was super cold. The temperature went -7. We all made sure we were warm and safe, went to bed. Now I'll show you the look from our room. Check that out. Snow-Peak Mountains on your left hand side, and then Pangong Lake to your right hand side, and again Snow-Peak Mountains there as well. So finally it's a clear day, clear morning. If you've seen the last evening footage, Snow-Peak Mountain was completely covered with fog, and it started raining in the night, and this morning is a clear sky. Good morning, brother. Mannundu. So, good morning. You might have seen how this place was last evening. Completely cold. Temperature went as low as -7 because of the river on one side and snow-capped mountain on the other. And today morning it's all sunny, clear weather. And today we are going towards Hanle. It's about 150 kilometers ride. So it has got both tarmac and off-road, so it's a 50-50 road that we'll be doing. So currently what we are going to do is we will be riding by the lake, that's Pangong Tso. We will ride by that lake, do some photo shoot, have some fun there, and from there we'll head towards Hanle. So yeah, it's going to be a fun full day today as well, so let's have fun. And everybody is ready, geared up. So it's time to move from our stay, which is called Pangong Sunrise Stay in Pangong near Man. So yesterday was one crazy day. Had lots of fun. And yeah, we continue the same. Huh? So this is a beautiful scenic road. We'll have to take a U-turn. Let's go now and check out the Pangong Tso. Look at that place, so beautiful, absolutely fantastic. Man, last night's stay was one stay. So we took a wrong route, so we are rerouting ourselves back to the main road. So finally got on the main road, so we just slightly deviated, and it was the wrong route which we took. Then changed, rerouted ourselves and back to the road now. So there's this particular spot where we'll have to deviate from this road and get parallel to Pangong Tso, and we'll be riding very parallel to Pangong Tso. So these are all the new setups which have come. Earlier people used to only come till Pangong and not go beyond, then go back to Leh. After Hanle and Umlingla and all of that opened up, especially people who want to do Hanle and Umlingla, you know, people started using this route and going towards there, and that's when all these places started developing. Earlier this was not that developed, and you never used to have any hotels or stays available here. Only in the recent past all these new developments have started. And across we are covered with snow-capped mountain across. And the thing is, though it's cold, you have sunlight, and the sunlight is so harsh you can't keep your eyes open. Trust me, it's so harsh. And you have to be extremely careful with these TT guys. They drive so fast, and all of these TT guys are from JK, Jammu and Kashmir. So there's our entire crew going. And look at the color of the lake. You have that blue color, emerald blue color in between. Beautiful, looks absolutely stunning. Nature is so beautiful if you have the time to sit and admire it. Look at that. Wow. It's just breathtaking view. You have snow-capped mountains and the river together, a combination. Beautiful. So we are riding by the lake itself. So the lake is on our left hand side and we are riding by the lake. And this is exactly one of the scenes that you get if you ride towards Tibet. There's this one lake called Yomdrom Lake, where the lake follows you for more than 70 kilometers. Yeah, so when I did the Yomdrom ride, or when I did the Tibet ride with Royal Enfield, you know, I had the opportunity to ride along Yomdrom Lake for about 70 kilometers, and it was again stunning, just like this emerald color, beautiful. But then the problem was, those days I never used to have a GoPro or, you know, any kind of gadgets to record stuff. So we used to only take photographs and all of it. So I don't have any video of those rides, but then the photos are there. People who follow me on Facebook, they might have seen that. And also there are one or two photos, a couple of photos on my Instagram also. जोशी उतर जाना है तुम्हें. So we're just taking this off-road patch. We'll get down and our video team will shoot some bit, and we'll also get to ride, I think, by the riverbed. I'm not too sure. So let's go. This is not going to be easy. You have to plan yourself, because these are all pebbles, and these are all small pebbles, and they're not settled in one place, so they keep moving. So here your technical skill comes into play. An amateur might feel it very difficult to come in here. See, here you have to be as fluid as possible and keep going. You'll have to keep moving your body. So let's just stop here and wait for Hemant. So check out the water, how clear is it? You can see all the pebbles below, and then you see there is 3 layers of colors. To start with, you have the clear water, and then you have a slight shade of green, and then emerald, and in between you have proper emerald blue, and then you go forward, you have dark blue, purplish, and goes on. Beautiful different layers of color here. So we just stopped to kind of take some drone shots, so we'll probably go by that road and then come have some fun. Chalo. ನಿಂದು ಬೈಕ್ ಆಗೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಾರ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಉಂಟು, ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So what we'll be doing now is we'll ride by the water side, and we'll have some nice drone footage being taken. So we'll go there, take a turn and come back. So it's a nice stretch. So we'll take this riverbed ride. Beautiful stretch, riding by the bay. This completely reminds me of Europe. In Ireland, there's this place where we went, and it was exactly like this. Beautiful. So the surface is super, what do I call it? Slippery. Something went into my eyes. And you have to keep the momentum. You cannot reduce the momentum and continue in the same momentum. check out. Oh, got stuck. Better to do this and come out. Rather than getting stuck. Yes. Push maru. Ooh, crazy.
Ano po,